Yeah, I really enjoy getting my hands dirty. Growing up, I would go spend summers with my grandpa, and he handed me a lawnmower engine and said, "You're going to make it work." There's been many a times where I'm not afraid to just step in and do. I'm going to fail multiple times, but then in the end, I have to figure out a solution. So I have a great sense of trust in my abilities, and a lot of that is based on the foundation that I had instilled in me growing up. Having that foundation, it simplifies things because I'm able to focus on innovation, and that's one of our core values here at Interstates. At Interstates, we design, build, and automate solutions for the world's largest manufacturers, from your Fortune 1 million companies to your Fortune 100. And I'm in charge of our support, networking infrastructure group, and cybersecurity group, driving where do we want to go from a technology standpoint, not only internally, but externally. IT is constantly changing. You have to tinker, you have to continue to learn, you have to continue to problem solve. And that's a lot of things that we as Interstates do for our customers as well. We problem solve, we tinker to build new facilities that make up the global market today. So we go through thick and thin to make sure our projects are successful. Cisco's definitely simplified on how we actually roll out our infrastructure and projects. We're used to the traditional setups where it's complicated. Then as we were going through this setup, one of my guys actually stated, it really can't be this simple. As we were going through this process, it can be that simple. And Cisco actually helped get us there. So we've established a great amount of trust with Cisco. A lot of this goes back to foundation. By having a good foundation, it does simplify things. Having the right tools and past experiences, it allows me to focus on the problems at hand, to be able to strategize, innovate, or allows me to tinker more and start planning for the future, because that's how I'm growing. That way you can instill that only to your team, but the community you're in.